Today, I'm going to show you how to add a button in Gamma app, step by step, so you can make your pages look more interactive, more professional, and much easier for people to click through. Whether you're building a presentation, a landing page, or a simple content card in Gamma, adding a button is a quick way to guide your audience to a link, a resource, or an action you want them to take. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma project and go to the page or card where you want the button to appear. Gamma makes editing very simple, but the exact placement matters, so start by choosing the right card before you add anything. Once you're inside the project, click directly inside the card where you want the button to be added. This is important because Gamma usually places new elements based on where your cursor is active, so you want to make sure you're working in the correct section. After that, look for the plus button or the insert menu. In Gamma, this is the area that lets you add new content blocks, and it's where you'll find options like text, images, embeds, and buttons. Click the plus icon and check the list of available elements. If you see Button in the menu, select it right away. That will create a button block inside your card and let you start customizing it. Now it's time to enter the button text. This is the label people will actually see on the button, so keep it clear and action-focused. For example, you might use words like Learn More, Get Started, Download Now, or Visit Website, depending on what you want the button to do. The key here is to make the text simple and direct, so users instantly understand the purpose of the button. Next, add the link or action for the button. This is the most important part because the button needs to do something when clicked. You can paste in a URL, connect it to a page, or choose the action that fits your project. If you're linking to a website, double-check that the link is correct before moving on. If you're sending users to another section or resource, make sure the destination matches the message on the button. Once the text and link are set, take a moment to review how the button looks inside the card. Gamma usually gives you a clean, modern style, but you still want to make sure the button fits naturally with the rest of your content. Check the spacing, the placement, and the wording. If anything feels off, click back into the button and adjust it before saving. When you're happy with everything, save your changes or simply click outside the button to finish editing. In many cases, Gamma will automatically update the card as soon as you click away, so you may not need to do anything extra. After that, your button should now be live inside the Gamma card and ready to use. And that's it! You've successfully added a button in Gamma app. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look, and now you can use buttons to make your Gamma projects more interactive and more effective. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.